can't stand it. I'm going to show you a real example in Photoshop. So those of you who have, if you don't have anything, I would look into GIMP. That's free, but but in Photoshop, the way you would approach that same thing is going to open up where are we? Projects, online modeling class, images, and roof. So if I were in Photoshop, what I would do is I would invert my image. I would double click this, and then I would create a new layer and put the layer underneath. I did it backwards in my tutorial. I don't know why, but lock the one on top. First, make it multiply, which will make this, it'll keep the black and the white becomes transparent. I'm going to lock it and do my drawing down here. That way I'll always be able to see my lines. See that? Alright, so I'm going to go to the internet and find like a repeating roof texture. Something real simple. Repeating roof texture. Alright, perfect. I like that one. Alright, I'm going to save that on my desktop. Roof, save. Yeah, there's lots of ones here you could use. And now I'm going to open my roof on my desktop. I'm going to select that and Command C to copy it, and I'm going to Command paste it and come in here. I'm going to rotate that. That's good. Where are my layers? Alright, and then I'm going to, I've got auto select on. Take auto select off, and then since this repeats, I'll go ahead and merge these two layers. And then make a copy of that, spin it around. And this one, alright, and then I'm going to delete that and that. Delete that. And the rest of this I kind of want like a tannish brownish color, like a raw 2x4, something that's good. And put that underneath, turn this layer off, and if I wanted to I could select this, and which selected all the pixels around it, and then go down here and turn it off. So that's my new one. Let's try this one out. File, save for web. I'm just going to do a JPEG. I don't need any transparency. So I'm going to do roof 2. Save. And let's go into that. Oh wow, let's delete some history. Edit, delete by type finder find our Lambert. Go to my color and pick roof 2 instead. And I thought this would be yellow too. I'm not sure what's going on there. Hmm. Oh, I think a while ago I moved my UV map. You remember that? It's not lining up exactly. So I could go back to my UV texture editor. Yeah, so I need to move my UV map kind of back in place. Grab the shell of it and make sure it fits. And we're only looking at the roof, but the underside, it's got the yellow. It looks like this part right here was supposed to be yellow too. So what could I do? Basically, if all these need to be so I could cheat it and I'm trying to think the best way to cheat that. We could just cut this section off here. I think it just crashed Maya. But anyway, you guys get the idea. When you're working with the UV editor, you need to save a lot. I think I just crashed it. I don't think I'm going to get it back. But that's all I wanted to go over with you guys. Anyway, I want to show you how to get started on the project, how to maybe use Photoshop if you have access to that, how to use the kind of crude image editing capabilities in Maya, and just to get you started. What I'm looking for is the whole house with some sort of texture here, and then post a few views of what you've done. Feel free to grab images from online if you feel comfortable with Photoshop. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to help you out. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it.